There's actually a strategy to building wealth. Recently, I chatted with a local Palm Beach financial expert, and we have 6 smart money moves that will help us build wealth starting today, as long as you start today. First thing we need to do if we want to build wealth is 1, track it with a budget or money plan. I created a budget using Google Sheets. And if you're interested, I have that video here for you where you can click and I will show you how I create my budget using Google Sheets and Google Calendar, which is the secret. Using Google Calendar to set up your budget will help you know when money is going to be coming out of your account, and you'll feel secure that you're tracking it. 2 is stop losing it by cutting expenses and paying off debt. High interest debt, like credit card debt or loans, can constantly be a drain on your money. Some of these interests are out of control, so we want to eliminate debt as soon as possible. 3 is attracted. So you attract it by providing value. You need to offer something that people are willing to pay for. This could be a skill, a product, a service, or a solution to a problem they're having. The greater the value you provide, the more money you make. 4th thing that you need to do is keep it. You want to build a savings of 6 months of expenses. 5th way of building wealth is by growing it. Investing even small amounts allows your money to grow through something called compound interest. Albert Einstein is often attributed to saying, "The magic of compounding interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it, those who don't pay it." Remember to do your research here, because investing is putting your money away for long term. Lastly, but not least, and possibly the most important part of this whole video, is in order to build wealth, we need to keep learning about money. How can we expect to build wealth if we know nothing about the subject? At its core, money is just a medium of exchange for goods and services. It's a tool, a resource, and a reflection of the value we provide to the world. And that brings us to the most important question. What action are you going to take today to start building wealth? I, myself, have things that I need to do on this list. Join me, and together we can see how much wealth we can build. Subscribe for more practical tips and insight on mastering your money and your life today.